Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change your country on Twitter. Log into your Twitter account if you are not already logged in. Click on the More tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Settings and Support from the pop-up menu. Now click on the Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Under Settings section, click on Your Account. Your account settings page will open. Click on Account Information. Click on the Country field. Click on the drop-down menu below the text Country. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Click Change to confirm. That's it, changes has been saved. This is how you can change your country on Twitter. Thank you for watching.